Wish you are fine at your home. My name is Sima Joshi, your maths teacher. Today we are going to start our chapter number 8, Who is Heavier? So let's start.
When we lift things, we feel that some things are heavier than other things. We weigh things to find how heavy or light they are. Standard unit of weight is kilogram. To find the weight of light things, we use the smaller unit gram. 1 kilogram equal to 1000 gram. We weigh things on a balance. Look a ball, for instance. The ball is filled with air and is light. Now, at 3 kilogram weight, the weight is small, but it still weighs more than the big ball. Let's see few more examples of heavy and light objects. Heavier and lighter. Apple is heavier than the pencil. Balloon is lighter than the ball. Chapter 8. Who is heavier? Gur, jaggery and groundnuts. Shabnam loved to eat jaggery, gur and groundnuts. One day she bought 1 kilogram of jaggery and 1 kilogram of groundnuts. You know that kilogram is also written as kg. In the picture you can see, oh, the groundnuts look so much more than the jaggery. Are the groundnuts really more than the jaggery, gur in weight, or do they just look more? Here you can see, the groundnuts are not really more than the jaggery in weight, but they just look more. So you can write, the groundnuts are not really more than the jaggery in weight, but they just look more. Now guess, for which of these you need a bigger bag? 1 kilogram popcorn or 1 kilogram sugar? 1 kilogram peas or 1 kilogram potatoes? Let's see. So here you can see 1 kilogram popcorn, 1 kilogram sugar. Now for which of these we need a bigger bag? For 1 kilogram popcorn. Yes, you are right. For 1 kilogram popcorn, we need a bigger bag. Now, for 1 kilogram peas or 1 kilogram potatoes. For 1 kilogram potatoes, we need a bigger bag. Yes, you are right. So you can write, for 1 kilogram popcorn, we need a bigger bag. For 1 kilogram potatoes, we need a bigger bag. Now next. Pumpkin, tomato, panga. This is the playground where tomatoes come to play every day. They love playing on the seesaw. One day, a big pumpkin comes and sits on one side of the seesaw. When he does not get up for a long time, the tomatoes decide to sit on the other side and lift the pumpkin up so that he falls off. The little tomatoes start climbing onto the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 25. The pumpkin is still sitting and laughing. So the big tomatoes decide to help. The little ones get down and make way for the fat ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 20. Yay! The pumpkin is up in the air. It shouts, bring me down, please, hooray! How many small tomatoes do you think could lift the pumpkin up? Small tomatoes. Fat ones 20. Then small tomatoes around 37 to 40 tomatoes. So you can write 37 to 40 tomatoes. How many big mangoes can balance the pumpkin? Around 15 mangoes. So we can write 15 mangoes. 15 mangoes. Now guess, how many pumpkins can balance you on the seesaw? Around 7 to 8 pumpkins? Yes, you are right. Around 7 to 8 pumpkins. Name some of your classmates who you think weigh almost the same as you, more than you, and less than you. Here I write some examples. Almost the same as you. Karan, Rakesh, more than you. You can write Ram, Rahul, Suresh. Less than you. Sahil, Ajay, Mohit. How many books can you lift on one hand, keeping your arm straight? If you can lift 5 books, then you can write I can lift 5 books on one hand, keeping my arm straight. Or if you can lift 4 books, then you can write I can lift 4 books on one hand, keeping my arm straight. Now next. Double her weight. Kunjama's parents have a different way of celebrating Independence Day because Kunjama was born that day. They buy sweets double of Kunjama's weight and distribute them among poor people. Here you can see. When Kunjama was born, she was 3 kilograms. Today is Independence Day and Kunjama is 5 years old. She is 28 kg now. Now guess her weight and the amount of sweets her parents distribute every Independence Day. Kunjama's age, Kunjama's weight, amount of sweets. At birth, 3 kilograms. They buy sweets double of Kunjama's weight. Okay. So 3 plus 3, 6 kilograms. Now 1 year old, 9 kilograms. Okay. So 9 plus 9, 18 kg. Now next, 2 years old. 2 years old. You can ask your parents how much 2-year-old or 4-year-old child could weigh. 2-year-old we can write 13 kg. 13 plus 13, 26. Now 3 years old, 17 plus 17. 17 plus 17, 34 kg. 4 years old, 22 kg. So you can write 22 kilogram. 22 plus 22, 44 kilogram. 5 years old, 28 kilogram. And 28 plus 28, 56 kilogram. Guess your own weight right here. Yum Yum Rice. Shugo to hear about a new dish on the radio. He wants to try making it. When he notes down how to make it, he gets confused. This is what he notes down. Pour 2 spoons of water in the pot. Boil the water and add 1 pinch of dal, half kilogram red chili powder, 1 bowl salt. Now put a spoon of rice, add 2 peas and 8 glasses of mustard seeds. Finally add 1 kilogram of onions. Mix everything and boil for 15 minutes. But Shugo feels there is something very wrong in the amounts of everything. Help him match the things with their right amounts. 1 kilogram rice, half kilogram dal. Now for peas, water and other things we have to write their right amounts. So here you can write 1 bowl peas, 8 glasses water, 2 onions, 1 pinch salt, 2 spoons mustard seeds, 1 spoon red chili powder.